Hello, in this video I'm showing how to unclog your drain line to save you literally hundreds of dollars. I'm not a plumber, a homeowner. I have done some research and have experience to fix this kind of problems. If you call somebody to fix this kind of problems, it can easily cost you $300 to $500. If you lease a machine or a tool from Home Depot or other places, it can be $57 per hour. A lot of money, isn't it? However, it is a very easy and simple fix. I bought a 25 feet drain clean cable. It has a spearhead to poke through and pull out. You just need to spin the wheel or use a drill to spin the wheel and to make the cable come out. Clockwise to pull out forward and counterclockwise to pull backward. Doing this couple of times, pull out and pull back, and you're done. It is very simple. One question is how to know the clock is in the main drain line or the branch drain line, so I know how long my cable can go through. My experience tells me if the clock is in the main drain line, you will have a couple of drain problems. I tested only one drain problem in this house, so it must happen in the branch drain. Otherwise, it will have a couple of drain problems in this house. So this 25 feet long, simple, small cable should work. But if clock is in the main drain line, you should using more powerful or 50 feet long cable. Unclog the main drain line or clean the main drain line. Before you start to work on it, and take some safety measures, wear gloves and goggles. Let's look how simple it to fix this kind of problem. Unclog the drain line. If you feel too hard and to work on it, and you can use your drill and to connect the drill and drill. To reverse back, you just will reverse the spin to counterclock. Use the drill to spin the wheel. Much easier and simple, powerful. Oh, you see a lot of stuff come out. Clean it. Now let's test and to see if still unclog or not. Good. The water goes through smoothly. Well done. Good job. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe our channel, and we have many videos in this channel. Appreciate. Thank you. Bye.